Good day, everyone. I'm Ola May, and welcome to day 15 of 16 days of Dooney and Bourke in May. Today's purse is the Dooney and Bourke buckle satchel in the color fuchsia. This is a beautiful pink color, and it has brown tomorrow leather trim around the handles, the stitching. And then, of course, the Dooney and Bourke leather logo patch is also in fuchsia. This is a pretty large purse. It does have the tassels here on the side. I would say the only thing missing from this purse is an actual shoulder strap for it. So it definitely has to be carried as a top handle carry. It can go over your shoulder. It's just a pretty snug fit, I guess, depending on the size of your arm. It does have this slip pocket on the back that goes all the way down also. The buckles here in the back, which I believe is how it received its name. The tassels have the green suede inside, and I have it pretty stuffed as well. I definitely love the gold buckles and the detail. Overall, this color leather, it definitely stands out, and it's very pretty. And I believe the gold, as well as the brown leather tomorrow trim, definitely gives it that added touch that it needs to make it another Dooney and Bourke classic bag. So this is the purse for day number 15 of 16 days of Dooney and Bourke. I hope you enjoyed this particular video, and I will see you in our final day 16 in the next video. So thank you so much for watching, liking, comment, and subscribing. Have a wonderful day.